I'm Librarian Kristen, and I'm here to talk to you about flowers and gardening and books about flowers and gardening. So over this past year and a half, I have read a lot about gardening with flowers and learned a lot, and it's been really wonderful. This summer and fall, I have had an overabundance of what I've learned how to grow, and I've been able to bring it into the library every week for my coworkers and the public to enjoy. We have a lot of really great books about gardening. There's a whole series of books by Floret Farm about gardening, and this one is one of the best ones to start with. It's a cut flower garden, and it goes through the year and what you can think about planting when, and then how to make arrangements with those flowers. We also have really specific ones on certain types of flowers, like there's this great book on how to grow roses organically without chemicals, which is wonderful. And we in the Pacific Northwest live in one of the best places to grow roses. If you have not checked out the Owen Rose Garden in Eugene, I highly recommend it. We have some great books too that are very specific to the Pacific Northwest that talk about perennial plants that you can plant in your garden. And perennials are plants that come back year after year. So you plant them once and you take care of them, and you have flowers and shrubs to enjoy for a very long time. And then this is a new book that I'm kind of excited about. My own style of gardening is a little bit more wild, a little bit more English cottage garden, where I have lots of plants that are happy coexisting. And this book is called Wild About Weeds. And it's about how to work with native plants and wildflowers and mix them into your garden. It's pretty exciting. And this is actually written by an English gardener. Surprise, surprise. But as you can see, we have so many really awesome books here. This one is about a flower-powered garden. We've got, of course, other ones too that are specific. I think this one right here, this one is specifically about the art of flower arranging, Japanese flower arranging, which is really special and would put my bouquets to shame. And then, of course, we're also a great place to grow peonies too. So there's some really awesome books on peonies as well. We have some awesome books on dahlias, which are all checked out at the moment. And we are in the height of dahlia season, and I'm dropping books. Okay. Well, thank you so much. I hope you come by to the library and check out some books.